Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed that there are many different projects on there, including this pumpkin carver, where you can click on the knife to pick it up, and you can carve a pumpkin, like I'm going to carve some triangle eyes and maybe a little mouth like this. Perfect. So this is one idea that you can use for using the pen block, but then there's another idea that you can use where when you press one of the keys, like the number 2, it's going to actually carve something for you, so you don't actually have to move your mouse around to carve it. Now, I want to show you another neat idea where somebody kind of combined these two ideas together, and they actually created a snowflake simulator. So the project we're going to look at is called Snowflakes, and it is by Flower52013. So when you press the green flag, it does nothing. Isn't that pretty neat? Actually, all you have to do is click somewhere, and then it will draw a snowflake. And see how it kind of randomizes which snowflake you're going to see? And it has a different size. That, I thought, was a really neat idea. Now, if you like this project, make sure you check out the description below, which includes a link to it, so you can give this person a heart and thumbs up or a favorite. And then if you have your own project that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. And check out all the projects in the description that are on BootUppd.org. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.